Good for Kids, covering Utah's kids in association with the Utah Department of Health.
And welcome back to the Daily Dish. I'm out here with Brett Parris from Parris RV for this sponsored preview to the Utah RV Show. And I love it, Brett. Right when I walked outside of the studio, you said to me, when you see me, it's what?
It's close to spring.
It is close to spring, and that means RV Show coming up this weekend. We'll tell you about that in just a second. But first, what are we standing in? What is this, Brett?
Yeah, this is one of the units we're going to have at the RV Show. It's actually the #1 selling brand of toy hauler, and this is the #1 model inside that brand. It's a 2022 Stryker. The model's called a 2613. The box is 26 feet. The interior, where you park your RZR or your other toys, maybe it's your kayaks and your paddle boards, but it's 13 feet of cargo for all the fun things for you to take out with your family and enjoy some time.
So that's what makes this a toy hauler, is that you can move everything right in here, and this goes where?
Yeah, so that's actually your loading ramp in the back. Right now we've got it turned into the patio because you can move the patio to the side, lower the ramp down, and then this dinette you see with the queen bed above it, you hit a button and those go up, you move the chairs forward, and this all becomes cargo space. But the nice thing about that deck out there, let's say you're out at the sand dunes and you've got kids, you've got maybe a dog or something, you don't want them down in the dirt or the sand, great little porch there to be part of the action but still be up over up and clean, I guess,
Brett, the last time I saw you was 2021. Here we are. It's a new year. What is cool that is out and different this year?
Gosh, there's all kinds of things, but right now it's about how can we get more, right? We've all heard about the supply chain issues, and the RV industry is no different. Last year we ran out early, and dealers have got a large inventory right now, us and other dealers, and it's good to come and buy one while they're still available. Otherwise, you might be waiting till fall. I had orders that were a year to fill.
Are you kidding? Because I've been to your lots, and they were stocked.
Yeah, and boy, they're really stocked right now. Between the 4 locations we have over 1,000 RVs in stock.
So when it comes to the RV show, I know this is, if you're looking at home saying, I want to walk around that one, don't worry, it will be at the RV show. How many do you bring?
I'm going to have about 75 units there, but I'm only one of many dealers, and really every type of RV you can think of will be there. So, tent trailers, A-frames, retros, teardrops, toy haulers like this in a travel trailer or a fifth wheel. A Class C motorhome, a Class B van, van life. We got a couple of those we're going to have there. Some big diesel Class A's, everything from a small thing that you can tow with a minivan all the way up to some big, large motorhome you can drive down the road and tow something behind it. We'll be there.
Is that why you like the show so much, is everything's all in one place and you can go in, you can touch it, you can feel it, you can walk around?
I would say that that's the most convenient thing. You enter the door and you've got the 5-hall show, which I think is like 200,000 square feet, if I remember right. And, everything's in there. Aisles lit up, looking good, and it's really kind of the very best of the best by all dealers.
By the way, that's a huge flat screen TV. I think for a lot of people, they say, I want that in my home. This is nicer than my house.
You know what? You don't give up anything in this Stryker toy hauler. It's got that nice TV. It's got a king bed in the front. It's got a nice big side aisle bath with a glass shower door. It's got a 4,000 Onan Cummins generator. It's got a 30-gallon fuel pumping station. It comes with a 100-gallon fresh water tank. So this slide out on the side gives you lots of floor space. The thing of it is everybody wants to go out and have a good time with their family and camp, but they don't want to give anything up, and you don't give anything up in a Stryker.
No, not a darn thing in here. Tell everyone your locations if they can't make it to the RV show.
Yeah, so Parris RV has 4 locations. We have 2 in Murray, one at 4360 and one at 5540 South State. We're just getting ready to open here in a couple of weeks a huge superstore in Payson, which is on 26 acres, 70,000 square foot facility.
Congrats, by the way. That's new information since the last time I seen you. And you're in Pocatello.
Yes.
People, you have a deal for everyone out there if they go to the RV show.
Yeah, go to UtahRVshow.com and get your $2 off your RV ticket in advance.
Well, not only that, everybody, the Utah Sportsman's Vacation RV Show is Thursday through Sunday at the Mountain America Expo Center in Sandy. More info at UtahRVshow.com. And you can enter to win tickets today at ABC4.com/contest. So go there. And our thanks to Brett and the RV Show for sponsoring today's interview. It is good to see you, my friend.
Thanks so much for having us.
So Ray, back into the studio to you.
Gosh, those RVs keep getting better and better. Thank you, Nisha.